What if one of these legendary Camaros could be your next dream car? From rare RS and Z28 models to big block convertibles and beautifully restored street machines, today we're showcasing 10 incredible classic Camaros for sale across America that every muscle car fan needs to see. Let's dive in. Car number 1. We're starting today's lineup with a beautifully restored 1968 Chevrolet Camaro convertible that perfectly blends originality with thoughtful upgrades. Located in Manchester, Connecticut, and listed for $42,000, this numbers-matching Southern car has covered less than 2,000 miles since its professional frame-up restoration. Finished in its original teal blue color using high-quality two-stage DuPont paint, the Camaro has a timeless appearance that immediately stands out. Paired with a deluxe ivory interior featuring fresh carpet and door panels, the color combination gives the car an elegant look rarely seen on first-generation Camaros. Under the hood sits the original numbers-matching 327 cubic inch V8. Rather than radically modifying it, the rebuild focused on reliability and performance, with a comp camshaft, new lifters, double roller timing set, fresh oil pump, rings, bearings, and a completely refreshed cylinder head. The rebuilt PowerGlide automatic transmission continues that philosophy, while an Edelbrock Performer intake and 600 CFM carburetor provide improved drivability without sacrificing the car's classic character. Even better, the original intake, carburetor, and valve covers are included for buyers who appreciate originality. The suspension has also received extensive attention, with rebuilt front components, new springs, shocks, steering parts, brake lines, fuel lines, and Flowmaster exhaust. Perhaps one of the biggest attractions is the fully powered convertible top, allowing you to enjoy open-air cruising whenever the weather is perfect. The seller honestly notes a few small paint bubbles and minor imperfections, but overall, this Camaro presents as a beautifully maintained driver that's ready for weekend shows and scenic drives. Car number 2. Next up is a true icon, a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS convertible, finished in black over black. Listed in Clinton, Connecticut for $45,000, this Camaro combines classic styling with documented history and tasteful upgrades. Power comes from a small block 350 V8 fitted with headers and paired with a modern 5-speed manual transmission that dramatically improves highway cruising and overall driving enjoyment. For collectors, one of the most appealing details is that the original factory 4-speed transmission is included with the sale, allowing the next owner to return the car to its original configuration if desired. The seller explains that the previous owner kept the car for 27 years and preserved extensive paperwork documenting its history, adding confidence and provenance to this already desirable RS SS convertible. The interior is described as being in excellent condition, while new tires ensure the car is ready for miles of enjoyable driving. Black paint combined with a black interior creates one of the most aggressive and timeless color combinations available on a first-generation Camaro. Whether parked at a local cruise night or carving through a winding country road, this RS SS convertible delivers the unmistakable experience that made the Camaro an American legend. Car number 3. Our third Camaro offers classic style at a more approachable price while remaining a true numbers-matching example. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro convertible is listed in Maple Shade, New Jersey for $32,000 and features an older restoration completed back in 1988. Despite its age, the seller reports that the car still runs and drives extremely well, proving that quality restorations can continue to provide enjoyment decades later. Power comes from its original numbers-matching 327 cubic inch V8, paired with the dependable PowerGlide automatic transmission. The paint shows its age with expected wear over the years, but according to the seller, it still presents nicely and gives the car an honest appearance rather than an over-restored finish. Inside, the interior remains attractive and welcoming, creating a comfortable environment for weekend drives and local car shows. Rather than being hidden away in a collection, this Camaro seems built for regular enjoyment. It's exactly the kind of classic many enthusiasts seek, a dependable driver with authentic character that can be appreciated without worrying about every tiny imperfection. For buyers who value driving over polishing, this Camaro offers tremendous appeal. Car number 4. Now let's look at another highly desirable first-generation Camaro convertible, this time a genuine 1967 RS model with an interesting story behind it. Located in Turner, Maine, and priced at $42,000, this true rally sport features the 327 high-output V8 producing 275 horsepower and underwent a complete frame-off restoration back in 2000. Unfortunately, shortly after the restoration was completed, the original owner passed away, and the car spent nearly 20 years in storage, causing much of its documentation to be lost. Although the seller believes the engine is numbers matching, previous machining removed identifying stamps, making official verification impossible. Over the last 6 years, numerous improvements have been added, including front disc brakes, power brakes, new spindles, upgraded proportional valve, new BF Goodrich tires, fresh seat upholstery with new foam, and a modern tachometer. The original Powerglide transmission has been replaced with a rebuilt 200R4 4-speed automatic for improved highway performance, but the original numbers-matching transmission is included with the sale, along with the factory hood. The power convertible top functions properly, and although it shows some age, the seller notes that it spends most of its time folded down anyway. The honesty throughout the listing, including mention of a weak aftermarket radio and an exhaust gasket that still needs replacement, adds credibility and reflects the straightforward attitude of an owner simply hoping to pass the car along to its next caretaker. This Camaro isn't just a classic, it's a piece of automotive history that's ready for its next chapter.
Car number 5. The final car in today's lineup may be the most intimidating of them all, a 1968 Camaro built as a period-correct Yanko tribute. Listed in Commack, New York for $47,500, this original California-built car is described as having all of its original body panels, with no rust repairs, no replacement sheet metal, and no undercoating, leaving every factory spot weld visible. That level of originality is becoming increasingly rare after nearly 6 decades. Under the hood sits an L71 427 cubic inch big block V8, one of the most legendary engine configurations associated with Chevrolet performance during the muscle car era. Power is sent through an M22 Rock Crusher 4-speed manual transmission into a 12-bolt rear axle equipped with 373 positraction gearing, creating a drivetrain combination respected by enthusiasts around the world. The seller explains that the car was built entirely with original GM components, preserving the authentic spirit of the legendary Yanko Camaros that had become some of the most collectible muscle cars ever produced. Although this is a tribute rather than a factory Yanko, it captures the aggressive appearance and performance that made those cars famous. With its rust-free California body, legendary big block power, and unmistakable first-generation styling, this Camaro delivers the kind of presence that instantly commands attention wherever it goes. It's a fitting way to end today's first group, a classic American muscle car built to be admired, heard, and most importantly, driven.
Car number 6. Our 6th car is a first-generation Camaro built with one goal in mind: serious performance backed by serious investment. Located in Huntington, New York, and listed for $59,000, this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe has reportedly received more than $90,000 in upgrades and restoration work. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior over a black interior, the car has a timeless appearance that blends elegance with unmistakable muscle car attitude. Power comes from a blueprint-built 383 cubic inch stroker V8, an engine package well known among enthusiasts for delivering impressive reliability and outstanding horsepower right out of the crate. Backing the engine is the legendary Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission, giving drivers complete control while preserving the authentic muscle car experience. The drivetrain is completed by a heavy-duty 12-bolt rear axle fitted with Moser axles and aggressive 3.73 gears, creating a combination equally comfortable on weekend cruises or spirited acceleration. The seller lets the photographs speak for themselves, describing the car simply as top-notch and in excellent condition. Sometimes confidence comes from understatement, and with an investment exceeding $90,000, it's easy to understand why this Camaro stands out. For buyers wanting a professionally built first-generation Camaro without starting a lengthy restoration project themselves, this car offers tremendous value.
Car number 7. Next up is a classic open-top muscle machine that promises excitement every time the key turns. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro convertible is located in Fairfield, Connecticut, and offered at $64,000. While the listing is brief, the specifications tell an exciting story. Under the hood sits a big block V8 equipped with aluminum cylinder heads, reducing weight while improving airflow and overall performance. Power is sent through a 4-speed manual transmission, giving the driver complete engagement with every shift, and making this Camaro feel exactly like the high-performance street machines that defined the late 1960s. The convertible body style adds another layer of appeal. With the top folded down, the sound of a big block V8 becomes even more immersive, creating the kind of driving experience that modern cars simply can't duplicate. First-generation Camaro convertibles have become increasingly desirable among collectors because of their combination of rarity, style, and open-air enjoyment. This example appears to focus on delivering raw American muscle wrapped in one of Chevrolet's most iconic designs. It's the kind of car that transforms every weekend drive into a memorable event.
Car number 8. Now we arrive at what may be the crown jewel of today's collection, a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Rally Sport. Listed in Island Park, New York for $79,000, this privately owned and garage-kept Camaro has remained with the same owner for the past 12 years and represents one of the most respected performance models of the original Camaro generation. Finished in stunning Cordovan maroon with contrasting white stripes, the car captures the unmistakable appearance that helped establish the Z28 as a legend during the muscle car era. Perhaps the most impressive feature is that it retains its original 302 cubic inch V8 paired with its original M22 4-speed manual transmission. That high-revving 302 engine was specifically engineered for Trans Am racing homologation and remains one of Chevrolet's most celebrated small-block combinations. Additional upgrades include a Holley carburetor, long tube headers, and a dual exhaust system that the seller says sounds incredible. The Rally Sport package adds the famous electric hideaway headlights, while the original gauge package, correct casting numbers, factory-style seatbelts, and 120-mile-per-hour speedometer further reinforce the car's authenticity. The paint, chrome, glass, stainless trim, and interior are all described as exceptional, and the seller openly welcomes professional inspections, including examination by Z28 experts, to verify the car's originality. That level of transparency speaks volumes. For collectors searching for an authentic first-generation Z28 Rally Sport, opportunities like this don't appear every day. This Camaro represents an important chapter in American performance history and continues to command admiration wherever it goes. Car number 9. Not every classic has to be perfect to be worth owning, and this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle proves exactly that. Located in Brentwood, New York, and listed for $18,500, this Chevelle clone offers an opportunity for someone willing to finish a project and create a rewarding summer cruiser. The seller explains that the engine turns freely and previously cranked, but currently lacks spark due to wiring issues after the underdash harness was removed. Rather than hiding the problem, the seller honestly admits that electrical work isn't their specialty. That honesty helps paint a clear picture for prospective buyers. Mechanically, the car is equipped with a 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission, offering better highway cruising than many original muscle cars. The body requires cosmetic attention, but the seller reports that the floors, trunk, and chassis remain solid, while much of the chrome trim is still in good condition. Inside, the interior is described as being in very good shape, reducing one of the more expensive restoration costs. A new hood and weld racing wheels further add to the car's appeal and provide an aggressive stance once completed. For someone with wiring knowledge or restoration experience, this Chevelle could become an enjoyable driver without requiring a complete ground-up rebuild. Sometimes the best projects are the ones where most of the hard work has already been done.
Car number 10. The final car in today's lineup is a bold and eye-catching 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS, finished in bright orange over a black interior. Listed in Bethel, Pennsylvania for $29,500. This restored Camaro combines classic styling with dependable V8 performance at a price that remains accessible compared to many high-end first-generation Camaros. Power comes from a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with the durable Turbo 400 automatic transmission, a drivetrain combination known for reliability and strong street performance. The seller reports that the car runs exceptionally well and has already undergone restoration, making it a driver rather than a project. Its bright orange paint ensures that this Camaro stands out immediately, while the black interior provides the perfect contrast and reinforces its unmistakable muscle car personality. Although the exact mileage is unknown, that's not uncommon among restored classics that have undergone engine work or odometer changes throughout their long history. The emphasis here is on condition and drivability rather than numbers. For enthusiasts seeking an iconic Camaro that can be enjoyed immediately without spending six figures, this SS delivers plenty of style, V8 sound, and classic American performance. It's a fitting conclusion to today's collection, 10 remarkable Camaros and Chevrolets that remind us why the golden era of American muscle continues to inspire generations of enthusiasts around the world.
So, which Camaro would you take home? Would you choose the authentic 1968 Z28 Rally Sport, the big block convertible, or the professionally built 1967 coupe with over $90,000 invested? Tell us your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoy classic Camaros, American muscle cars, and discovering amazing classic cars for sale, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We feature new collections every week, and you never know what rare classic will appear next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.